How to recover missing contacts on iPhone after iOS 18. Are you missing contacts on your iPhone after the latest iOS 18 update? If you've noticed that some or even all of your contacts have disappeared, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy steps to restore your missing contacts. Let's dive right in. First, let's try syncing your contacts again. Here's how. Open Settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap on iCloud, then tap See All next to iCloud Backup. Find the Contacts app and make sure it's turned on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a moment, and turn it back on. This simple trick can help reset the syncing process. Next, let's check if your other accounts, like Google or Hotmail, are syncing contacts properly. Go to Settings and scroll down to the Contacts app. In the search bar, type Contacts and tap the result. Find Accounts, then locate your other accounts, like Google or Hotmail. Open the account and make sure Contacts is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off and selecting Delete from my iPhone, then turn it back on to refresh the sync. And that's it. Hopefully these steps helped you recover your missing contacts. If you're still having issues or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.